Welcome to Regal Insight Podcast Show, and I am Dev, the host of Regal Insight Podcast Show. Every Tuesday, I will bring you a episode containing some interesting subject or topic which I like or enjoy talking about. This can be from marketing, investment, real estate, technology, global nomad, lifestyle, business, and country economy, travel, and anything I like to talk about or research about and want to show or share to the world. Welcome to the episode 6 of Regal Insight Podcast Show. Last week we have discussed about COVID effect on the consumer behavior. Let us focus this week on the shift from the traditional marketing to digital marketing campaigns. In the world that is constantly changing and adaptability is a key characteristics that should be owned by a business, technology is growing continuously, and in order to maintain the removing through a targeted goals, business needs to constantly upgrade their plan as well as their marketing strategies. After the internet was introduced, there was a massive change in marketing. Business are no longer only using a traditional way to advertise their products or services, but they are shifting towards a more modern way called digital marketing. The brand scope of internet is a great opportunity for the large growth, especially for the business that upgrades their digital marketing budget. Marketing is a concept that always evolved through the years. Traditional markets that use old mediums such as board, pamphlet, radio, television are shifting towards digital marketing and focus on the digital platforms with ad. The world is digitalized now, and a modern and a technological approach is needed in today's marketing, but various traditional marketing strategies are still used today. A strong business is a business that adapts to any situation, being well prepared to face the challenge. The key point of effective marketing strategy is an adaptive trait that is able to constantly change based on the relevant and accurate data. In order to reach the target customers in the most effective way, the marketing strategy should be merely depends on the one pure type of marketing, because both traditional and digital marketing can work together and reinforce your brand message that you are trying to portray. The focus needs to be on how to blend different marketing approaches, reaching the maximum result and effectively. So let us see what are the different characteristics of traditional and digital marketing. Fast-growing technology demand a more digitalized solution and switches some part of the traditional marketing approach that has been used for the past years. Traditional marketing strategies emphasis on the selling the product, while modern marketing emphasis more on the discovering the needs of the customer and escalating the customer satisfaction through modern method like social media marketing. The modern method focuses on how to communicate to the audience, understanding their needs and giving them the maximum satisfaction so that they can come back again later to make their purchase. Digital marketing allows the business, especially small business, to expand more easily, while earlier with the traditional marketing this was a small possibility. As the digital marketing world is very broad and the trend always change, it is important to note that digital marketers should remain updated and understand what is going on. Brands are various use tools for digital marketing such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, mobile marketing, content marketing. Modifying the business website is an important step to begin your digital marketing campaign, and a business should ensure to attain the potential customer creates to the best customer experience. According to the AlgoCBS, the digital marketing gives a brand and a big chance to compete in a single or a global scale market, reaching the bigger audience. The massive growth of the digital marketing does not mean the business should completely neglect the traditional marketing. It is true that digital marketing is a hype topic and is still growing today, but traditional marketing are able to strengthen your message and complete your marketing strategies. Therefore, it is important for marketer to know these two approaches together can be used to support one another. It is crucial to know the difference as well as the advantage and the disadvantage of the two strategies, so do not exclude them from each other. The following industry trends: the planning of an effective strategy requires setting a big budget for the digital marketing campaign. This includes a broad range of platforms such allows to use to collected data. Companies are looking for marketing teams who is not only creative but also have the knowledge on revenue boosting activities. Business need to be strongly focused on the better customer experience. Digital market must prepare for the efficient strategy to win the competition among the competitors and the industry. Companies also need digital marketing professionals who are able to analyze and improve user experience and behavior so that to lead the company in the increasing their profit in a global. When you strive to expand your business on a larger scale, that means you are open to a bigger challenge and you need to find the best strategy which focuses on the industry needs and the company goal. Having said that, we can see now that digital marketing is one of the key factors for any organization or for any marketer to scale up or to put the idea or any strategy or any service or products or consultancy in the market. But at the end, we shouldn't be forgetting the physical marketing importance. We can see that digital billboards are placed, so that's also a part of digital marketing. But having said that, there's a blend of physical marketing and a digital marketing. So as a whole, both the strategies should go in hand to hand so that ultimately the result is achieved for the betterment and the result oriented for the goal for the organization. Having said that, thank you very much for listening to this podcast. See you next week with another exciting topic which I liked and want to share to you guys. Till then, stay safe wherever you are in this world. Good night, good morning, bye.